Welcome back to channel guys, welcome back to the another video. In today's video I want to talk about iOS 26.2 and also I want to talk about your comments. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. Now iOS 26.2 is going to be the next big update, and with the features it is going to bring a lot of better performance and a much better battery life. For now beta 2 is out. I am still testing it out, and the next week we are expecting beta 3 from iOS 26.2, and so far beta 2 is a really good update. Now, if I talk about what are the highlighting features of the iOS 26.2 data coming very soon, the first thing is definitely a really cool feature where you can change the a liquid glass UI on the lock screen. So like if I go over here, go into the customize, tap on my clock, I can change the intensity of the liquid glass on the clock, as you can see. And honestly this is going to be one of the biggest highlighting feature. Maybe in upcoming betas we get the intensity to change this liquid glass everywhere, let's see. But this is something that is actually really big thing. You can go all the way down if you want to. I really don't like this. Why I don't like this? Because it doesn't match with top over there and this over there. If these things also go to the liquid glass, that will be a much better option. But this is something that is coming with the iOS 26.2. There are new bouncy animations. If you see, the animations are actually bouncy that are also coming with the 26.2. There are few changes that are coming in the podcast app. Honestly, if I able to go and share those features, right now I am in the podcast app, and now onwards from the iOS 26.2 podcast app will be creating chapters automatically for different podcasts. As you can see, this is a podcast from, it is not loaded properly, but it will be creating chapters for different podcasts automatically, which is a big thing honestly. A really cool change is the update of Mirror app. The Mirror app is gonna be changed. It offers a liquid glass look, as you can see. This looks really cool. This is also coming with the iOS 26.2. Definitely there will be more features. Once the other betas are out, I will be making a proper full-fledged video. But this all from so far that are highlighting features. Now if I talk about the your comments, I will go to the YouTube Studio app. So let me get to the YouTube Studio app. Okay, so here are your comments. Starting with the very first comment. iOS 2017.7.1 or 18.7.2, apart from emoji, does it bring any benefits? It's a huge different update. iOS 18 definitely offers a lot of new features. So if you haven't tried out that, you can go and try out that, but make sure that you want to try it out because you will not able to downgrade. And also it's a while iOS 18, I don't remember what it was offering, but if you want to know what is new with the iOS 18, you can go to my channel. I already did a lot of videos. You can go and watch those videos. If your Geekbase scores are that sensational, they could be a harbinger for things to come as we look forward to stable version of 26.2 next month. Happy for you, bro. Okay, thank you so much for commenting down. First of all, it is not only about me. My goal is to share stuff to the people who are not happy with how 26.1 is going on, just for example. So yeah, I can test out different updates so people can know how things are going on. And yes, 26.2 a beta do gives me one of the highest scores, which is amazing in itself. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward for 26.2. Definitely I will be testing out those updates too. Do the test with an iPhone 11 please. Okay, I will try to update my device on iOS 26.2 beta 2. For now I am testing out iOS 26.1. There is a lag on the iPhone 11, but I will update very soon. The app library search lag has not been fixed yet. Yes, it is still there, and I'm not sure if it is there in iOS 26.2 beta 2. Let me test out. No, it is not there, bro. It's pretty smooth, but obviously it is not fixed on iOS 26.1. So things are bit, not only bit actually, things are much better on 26.2 beta 2 if I compare 26.1. So yeah, wait for 26.2. This software is not so good on my phone. Um, iPhone 16 Pro keeps bugs, dress crush. I can't open their website and else on my phone not working too good. On apps they are not working too. Actually, okay, I got your device is not working so good, but try to be more specific that where are you facing issues. No, I actually don't understand what are you trying to say. Maybe there can be an app that is buggy, or maybe their website is buggy. I'm not sure, but for me and for many people, 26.2 beta 2 is a really good update. I tried reset all settings on 26.1 and lags are gone now. Even the home screen lag. Lol, unexpected. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this one on my device, and if the lag goes, I will share that. But no, I'm gonna try this definitely. Okay, there's another comment. How is 88.7.2 performing on the iPhone 14 and the battery life? Yeah, 88.7.2 is such a good update because it is hopefully going to be the last update for the iOS 18. It is a well polished update. So it is amazing in terms of performance, it is amazing in terms of battery life. So if you really want to stay on the iOS 18, 18.7.2 is such a good update. Don't worry about it. You can just install that update. One important thing, whenever you install iOS update, give it a 1 or 2 day, at least 2 to 3 days actually, because iOS always take couple of days to get stable. So it will get stable if you face any issue, but it's a very well polished update. I have noticed something. The battery life on your device is very good because you're using Wi-Fi and there is no SIM card on your phone. Even I got the same screen on time like I was using my 14 Pro 23 while using Wi-Fi at home. But when I go for work and when I use my mobile data, I get around 5 to 6 hours, sometimes 4 hours. I use TikTok, YouTube intensely on Wi-Fi at home and mobile data at work. This is a big difference. By the way, appreciate your videos. Thank you so much for appreciating videos. Yes, there is actually a difference. My SIM card is on iPhone 10s. I do use that device and I do test out 18.7.2 on that device. Battery life is amazing. Even I have like SIM card, but when it comes to mobile data, I don't use my mobile data much. I only use like when I'm going out, when I want to do any sort of transaction or anything like that, I use mobile data. But mostly when I'm out, like when I'm office or when I'm home, there is Wi-Fi available, so I don't use mobile data much. But yeah, there is an obvious difference because mobile data consumes more battery life than the Wi-Fi. This is an obvious thing, but still we are able to get a good screen on time. And thank you for your comment. I really appreciate that. iPhone SE running on 18.7.1. It's running good, but it's safe to update for gaming. If you want to install it 8.7.2, definitely go and install. Don't worry about that. Yeah, you actually commented on that video, so yeah, you can install 18.7.2. Okay, there's another comment. When will iPhone 11? iOS 26.1 is already out. I am using 18.7.2 on iPhone 13. It is a very good update. Your videos are very good, which you made on 18%. Thank you a lot. Glad it's working well for you. Thanks for watching. Okay. Beautiful battery, 16 Pro Max. Yes, as you can see, 626.2 Beta 2 is such a good update. So yeah, these are some of your comments that you did on my videos from this week, and I try add as much comments as I can. So these are some of your comments. So far we talk about how the 26.2 is going on. Also I shared some highlighting feature that are coming with iOS 26.2, and also I read some of your comments so you can get answers to your comments. Well, this was all from this short and simple video, and I hope to get you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.